everybody, it's Jeff and Nikki from Nightshade Nick Decor. So we are finishing up the custom charcuterie board. So excited, can't wait to see what this looks like. As usual, Jeff always does the exterior wood first and then makes us wait for the epoxy resin river. I don't know, 5 years and counting is what he does.
That's what he does.
I'm not changing it now. But that grain sure looks pretty. That knot's awesome. You snuck in.
Snuck in.
That's so pretty.
Nobody's sneaking.
Well, normally you do all the sides and everything first, and then you do the epoxy river.
It's a smaller board, so.
That is stunning. I think I need to move over so I can see this better.
Yeah, there's a lot of glare. Let me shut
That
off
looks
light.
great.
That'll probably help.
No, that ruined it all.
Oh, okay. Alright.
It's better with the light.
Okay.
The glare, I don't have the glare where I am.
Oh, well, I do where I am.
That looks absolutely stunning. So, while we are here oiling the board, what we're using is Howard's cutting board oil. Why don't we go over care tips for our wood charcuterie boards?
Yeah. Okay, so,
You gotta speak up because you got the fan on. His answer to that is to just turn the fan off. Like, I'm not gonna talk louder than I talk.
So for the care on this board, it's pretty simple. Just wash it with mild dishwashing soap and water. You don't want to submerge the whole board. Just, sponge it off and then rinse it. You want to oil it once a month. Never treat this board like a trivet. Don't put hot pots and pans on it because you could melt the epoxy.
Yeah, no microwave, no dishwasher.
No microwave, obviously. No dishwasher. It's really about it. You want to wax it in between oils. Once you have it nice and oiled, you could probably get away with just waxing it. The only time you'd really have to oil it is if it got really dry, like maybe you skipped a couple months of oiling and let it dry out. Then you'd want to oil the whole board. But mostly you can maintain the board with the conditioner, the wax conditioner. That has oil in it. So.
And you want to oil it just the way Jeff is doing. You can use a microfiber cloth or a paper towel, and but we have softer paper towels. We use the Viva soft cloth ones.
We're bougie like that.
We are bougie like that. And we will also send you a sample of the Howard's cutting board oil and wax. But you want to do the top, the bottom, the sides, all of it. Yeah, that's why Jeff's doing the bottom now, so you can see what the bottom of your board looks like.
Not as nice as the top.
We always like the top better. It's still very pretty. That copper is a stunning color. So that is the May Spring Pure Copper. We made this in the Exotherm Custom Design HDPE no-seal reusable cutting board form. The wood is from Flower City Milling. Thank you, Tom. We used Wise Bond Deep Pour Epoxy for it. And we carved out the names and dates with our Inventables CNC router. Am I missing anybody?
I think that's about it.
I think that's it too. I think we got them all. And that is just our branded logo on the bottom. All of our charcuterie boards, actually all of our wood products have our logo on the bottom. That looks so pretty. And then once you oil it, just kind of set it on the counter so it can dry overnight, and then you can put it away wherever you store it. Some people just store it on like a little easel or plate stand in their kitchen. It's entirely up to you how you do it.
You're obviously not going to oil it as much as I am. I'm going to apply at least 3 coats of oil because the board has never been oiled. It's dry, so it's going to soak up a lot of oil. So when you're oiling it, once you have it at home, you're not going to have to use nearly as much oil. For me, this is, I'm applying the very first oil here, so it's going to be excess, a lot of excess oil. And I'll just keep doing this until it's fully absorbed, so I may be oiling here for a little while. But you obviously, once you get it in your possession, you shouldn't need to oil it this much. This is just because it's fresh.
Such a pretty board. So now you've seen all the videos on how your charcuterie board was made, and you can see why it's a process. Why it takes about 4 to 5 weeks to do. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and share our videos, and we hope you enjoy your charcuterie board.